When it comes to the depreciation in relation to the asset, depreciation should be charged for each part of the property, plant, equipment which has got a significant cost. So, entity where the asset has got a separate significant cost, where asset has got an item where it has got a separate significant cost, then in such case, it has to be depreciated separately. The entity allocates the amount initially recognized in respect of the item of the property, plant, equipment of significant amount, significant part actually, and that has to be depreciated separately. Say, for example, aircraft, it has got engine, it has got airframe. Now, they are all depreciated separately. The depreciation charge for the each period should be reviewed in the P&L unless the what you can say, unless it has got a various other aspect actually. So the whatever depreciation charge we are highlighting actually, it has to be reviewed separately for the asset. That's the thing actually. And further, what happens, the depreciation method should always be in the pattern of the whatever the asset is being consumed. So whatever the economic benefit is generating, it has to be charged in that particular manner. That's the thing here. So there may be a revenue based depreciation method. So revenue based depreciation method, it definitely is not at all acceptable. Depreciation method should be reviewed on an annual basis actually here. And also, any change in the depreciation method, then there has to be a prospective effect to be given as per the INDAS 8. The depreciation should be charged to the profit and loss account in this regard. That's the thing here. So what happens is that the depreciation for any asset, it has to be identified in the P&L, so based upon the future economic benefit. That's the thing here. So we have to take that into consideration. The depreciation of a machinery in a plant and machinery, it is included in the cost of like say any correction. Say for example, say suppose say there any kind of correction that happens, that has to be considered here. The depreciation of property, plant, equipment is used for the what you can say, it is included in the intangible assets actually here as per the Ind AS 38 actually here. So that's the thing here. So provision for what you can say, the existing depreciation, whatever existing amount of depreciation, it's nothing but the amount of future economic benefit it will generate actually. That's the thing here. And the time of such benefit actually here. Okay. And any changes which happens, that's the thing here. So the entity, if it follows the cost model, then in such case, what happens here is that so the amount of depreciation should be properly charged as far as the cost model is concerned. That's the thing actually here. Any impairment of asset as should be done as per the Ind AS 36 actually. So entity should routinely check actually the whether the asset is able to generate the revenue. That's the thing actually. So on a continuous basis, it should review should be done. That's the thing here.